Okay, YouTube, I thought I had some pretty cool stuff before, but I think this is like takes the cake here. This was the 1961 design of IBM Selectric typewriter, Selectric I. It's got the ball thing there. I can't remember what they call it. There's a name for it, but it doesn't roll off the tip of my tongue. Anyways, the power cord is kind of funny looking, but it works, and it seems solid. Looks like the original power cord to me. In any case, Max, would you plug that in, please?
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna give this thing a whirl, YouTube. It's in really excellent shape. Very, very, very cool. Oh, okay. I'm gonna power it on. I did notice. I don't know if you can hear that, YouTube, but it's a little bit. You can hear like electric motor noise. But Max, would you do me the honor to stand behind me and just keep on filming? Okay, so here's what's up, YouTube. I'm gonna flip it over to the other side so we got a clean slate to. Work with. Max, make sure you get that roller ball on action, okay? Because that's the key. Okay. So this came out in '61, and this is the Selectric one. You can tell by the really cool shape. The other ones are more square. The Selectric 2, 3, they're more square. Max, can you get around like and just show the condition? It's in really, really super duper excellent, fantastic shape. I'm just gonna type a little something something. Here we go. How about hello world? Where's my, I'm used to my keyboard at work. Where's my exclamation point? I can't find it. Oh, there we go. Alright. And there it is. Oh, okay. Hello world 1/2. I don't know why.
You probably have to push like
well,
shift
it's
or something.
yeah, it's like shift or whatever here.
Who cares?
So, it was a cold winter day. The dogs would not stop howling. Oops, I don't have any corrected paper. Like the cold howling wind outside. Oops. Alright, I'm just gonna type anything so you can see the roller ball in action. It keeps on going. It doesn't stop. No matter what you type, it loves it. Look at that. Okay, possibly the best day was the day I got my IBM Selectric I. The iPhone or Galaxy has got nothing on this wickedly cool old typewriter. Alright. Thank you, Max.
Yep. There you go.
So, did you stop it?
No.
Okay. So, I just wanted to show you that, YouTube. It's in tip-top shape. Not a thing missing. Couple of very small chips in the paint, but no dents. Not really many scuffs there. Let's check it out underneath the hood. I'm afraid to take it up. So I don't know how it comes apart, so I'm going to leave the hood on. Looks pretty clean on the inside. I did not touch it up, so it's as is. It's got all these, I don't know what these are. These settings. Looks like it brings the, I don't know if you can see that, it brings the roller bar forwards and backwards. I got an extra IBM Selectric 71 cartridge. That's very cool because I'm sure I'll need it someday. But it's brand new in the bag. I'm sure these are hard to come by nowadays. This is old school vintage coolness. It's a really cool army green color. I can't go on more about this typewriter, but it's pretty cool stuff. You don't see much. I'm going to show the ball in action one more time because it's so freaking cool. Whoops. I actually learned how to type on a typewriter in typing class back in 1980 something, but we didn't have, so I'm just going to show that ball in action. Woo! Look at it, just spin and whirl. Anyways, that's how IBM did it back in the day. Hope you're as excited as I am. Looks like this ribbon is A-OK good, and I even got an extra spare. That's all I got, YouTube. Love it, leave it. Peace.